One day, a train named Thomas was pulling trucks. He was the most really useful engine ever. I love being really useful. Until one day, things got worse. Puffing and chugging there and there, nothing can go wrong. Until he had to experience Gordon's Hill, the worst place to carry trucks. Come on. Yes, I did it. Let's go. And I just gotta go down the hill. He thought he was safe until the truck said, on! Thomas went fast.
Get out of the way!
Thomas tried to put on his brakes, but they fell, and then there was trouble.